Hey guys, it's Nadia from LiaDiaDesigns and I'm back with another video. Today I have some new coaster molds. These are palm leaf molds, or Monstera as they're called. And I just got them in and I'm really excited to actually get some colors poured into them. So we're going to do two different color styles here. One's going to be a mother of pearl shell and iridescent flakes, and the other one is going to have the mixture of these three green colored glitters. So what we're going to do is, as I get things mixed up here, I'm going to be pouring in some clear resin and then getting the bubbles out. And then I'm going to hand place in the shells and then pour the iridescent glitter on top. So these are the shells here, and they are from Daniel Baresi, as you can see, and it's the opal effect. Once I have all the shells placed in, then I'm just going to pour the iridescent glitter over top and get all those bubbles out, and then we will move on to the green set. I'm gonna let you guys watch the time lapse here and we'll see you on the other side. Okay, so we're ready to start the green coaster, and I have three different colors of green glitter mixed up here. So as always, if you want to know the brands or the products that I'm using, I list them in the description below the video, so make sure you check it out there. And I do include links as well as discount codes if I have them, so be sure to take a look if you're looking for a specific product that I'm using here. So, and for the look, all I'm trying to do here is get a bit of a layered look. So I don't really want them to fade together necessarily. I just want them to kind of have that layered look so that the three distinct colors are showing. So I'll go ahead and fill up this mold, and then I'll give it a little bit of heat to get rid of the bubbles and then let them sit overnight, and we'll unmold these beauties in the morning. So it's morning, it's been overnight now, and we're going to go ahead and unmold these. So let's do the green one first. And I really like how the back looks, so I'm hoping the front looks very similar to the back. And let's flip them over. Oh, there's a little bit of leftover pieces there, so we'll get rid of those. And yes, so I love this glitter. It's so sparkly and nice. It's a bit of an irregular glitter, so it has a different type of sparkle to it. And then the second one with the mother of pearl and the iridescent glitter. This one actually could be used as a two-sided. Actually, both of these could be used as two-sided coasters because both sides look really nice. And I love the look of the mother of pearl on these. It's a bit understated, but still gives you that tropical kind of vibe. Really like it a lot. So I hope you guys like them too. If you do, don't forget to leave a comment and a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys. See you next time.